Look at those layers, that butter, that apple filling bubbling through. And when that glaze hits the top and starts seeping down into all those flaky layers, that's when you know it's about to be serious. And of course, I had to pair it with vanilla ice cream. Warm, buttery apple biscuits with cold ice cream melting into it. That bite right there, yeah, it's dangerous. All right, let's make it. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. I broke this recipe down into 5 simple steps to make it super easy to follow along. Step 1, melt your butter. You'll need a 1/2 cup of butter melted. Set it aside in a bowl and use a little of it to grease your baking dish. I don't have a pastry brush, so I just grabbed a Chipotle napkin and dabbed it around the pan. It works perfectly fine, no fancy tools needed. I like to call this the stamp technique. Use what you got. Make sure that you use a 9x9 baking dish so that your biscuits can be snuggled up with each other. Step 2, make the cinnamon sugar mixture. In a small bowl, mix together a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Stir until fully blended. This is where all that warm, cozy flavor comes from. Just these 3 ingredients right here. And I actually saved a little bit of this for my coffee and sweet potatoes later. Ooh, it was elite. Step 3, prepare the biscuits. I used 8 flaky butter biscuits. Before dipping them, I made small X-shaped cuts on both sides of each biscuit. That helps the butter and cinnamon sugar soak in deeper and gives more flavor throughout. Dip each biscuit into the melted butter, then coat with that cinnamon sugar mixture. Coverage equals flavor. Step 4, we're almost done. Grab 1 21-ounce can of apple pie filling. Chop the apples up into smaller pieces so they distribute evenly. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and spread that apple pie mixture evenly over the biscuits. If you're using nuts, now's the time. I added as many pecans as my heart desired. The pecans and apple pie mixture is such a beautiful match. Pour any remaining melted butter over everything and sprinkle the rest of the cinnamon sugar mixture on top. Step 5, bake and make your glaze. Place the dish into the oven. The recipe says to bake for 30 to 35 minutes, but my oven is super old, so mine took almost an hour. Just monitor it. You're looking for golden brown tops and bubbly filling. Don't rely on the clock alone. While it bakes, whisk together a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk until smooth and drizzle that glaze right over the top while it's still warm. Watch it seep into those layers. That's the moment. Pull out a serving while it's warm, top it with vanilla ice cream and let it melt into everything. That bite right there, flaky, buttery, cinnamon sweet, soft apples, crunch from the pecans. I ate it fresh and it was amazing, but honestly, by day 2 and day 3, after sitting covered on the counter, it tasted even better. The flavor settled and deepened. It's one of those desserts that matures beautifully, just like me. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves cozy desserts. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me. I truly love you guys, and I'm grateful for every single view. And if you're ready for something creamy and classic next, my banana pudding is right here. I'll see you in that video.